Naipunyam is an initiative to identify industry partners and forge alliances with the public and private sectors in enhancing the quality standards of Kerala's industry. Our focus is towards bringing together investors, industry, trainer institutions, trainers, policy makers, policy implementers, and the youth from across Kerala, India, and the world. The summit is a part of ongoing new initiatives undertaken by the Government of Kerala in setting up international skill institutes in the domains of construction, security, nursing, automobile, retail, tourism, hospitality, and in other skills. The event is also envisaged to bridge the gap between the real industry requirements and skilled workforce, with a focus on improving the quality standards of ITIs and making people employment ready. I am sure that the summit has been a useful interaction between industry stakeholders and the ITIs, collaborating and contributing jointly to formulate better training methodologies and introducing latest advancements for market-ready skill building. We must now explore setting up of centers of excellence as a private government initiative. Summits like this will certainly help raise quality standards of Kerala's workforce, making them employment ready by sharpening the quality of their skills in accordance to the demand in different industries. Naipunyam will bridge the gap between the demand and supply of the skilled workforce as required by the various industry domains by collaborating with top quality investors, national and international business houses and enterprises to participate and train students according to present industry requirements. Developing of industry-ready skills for people will eventually contribute significantly to the skilled manpower requirements of the nation and the world. The benefit to the industry is continuous supply of high-quality goods at comparatively lesser cost, savings in terms of capital expenditure, and savings in training cost or continuous supply of skilled workforce. I hope the participants of this summit have had a fruitful discussion to reach its desired goals. I wish the participants all the very best for their contribution in skilling India to greater heights. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.